I like this garden bed that I built. This was my prototype. I got all the bricks and some wood here to build another one, so I'm going to go ahead and build another one on the other side of the house. I got some bricks here. I'm going to build it over here on this side of the house here. I started a pile of wood scraps that I can use to put in the bottom of the garden bed, so we'll go ahead and put it right over here. Just need to start laying out the bricks and clean up a little bit. A little messy out here. The first thing I'm doing here is I'm laying some bricks out, some pavers. I got 5 pavers along the front, and then I got 7 pavers along the side, and then that'll work for my bricks, for the base for my bricks for the garden bed. But yeah, just laying it out and making sure it's level so that it'll all line up a lot better. I got a wheelbarrow full of dirt and rocks here to help level it all out. Alright, I'm making progress here. I'm just taking dirt, gravel, whatever I can find, and laying it down to make it all even. I got a few more pavers to go, then I can start with the bricks. So this is what it should look like when you're done. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pavers in the front, and then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pavers along each side. 20 pavers altogether. There's a lot of different types of pavers. These are square pavers, and they're about 12 inches each. It looks like they're maybe 11 3/4 by 11 3/4. I chose these pavers for the base so that I could put a cinder block wall around here for the raised garden bed. All right, now I got the first row of cinder blocks down. You can see I got 2 on each side there, and then I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on each edge lengthwise. I'm gonna go ahead and put on 1 more row of those. Cinder blocks are pretty similar wherever you go, but I'll go ahead and measure these and let you know what the dimensions are. Looks like these cinder blocks are about 7.5 inches to 3/4 inches wide. And it looks like they're about 7.5 inches tall. And about 16 inches long. Not like it matters, but that's what I used here anyways, and it all seemed to fit. So you can take some measurements and set up your own depending on what kind of pavers and what kind of bricks you use, but I think these are all pretty much standard sizes. Okay, there's the second layer. We got the bottom layer, the base of pavers, and then we got 2 rows of cinder blocks on there. That'll be our middle row. And then we'll put up some, I guess you'd call them wood brace blocks, and then that will hold the cedar planks in place to get the base up a little higher. They say you don't want to use all bricks because it can, especially out here in Arizona, it can overheat your garden bed. So you want to use your top layer of wood, some thin wood, so it'll keep the soil from getting too hot.